Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a peanut chutney for idli and dosa at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, take a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil, and when the oil is hot, we have to add the urad dal. So we have to add 1 tablespoon of urad dal. I'm using my hand, guys. If you want to use the measurement spoon, you can. And half a tablespoon of chana dal and little bit of mustard seeds. It gives a nice taste in this chutney. And here I am adding 2 to 3 red chilies. This is very spicy chili. If you want to add more, you can. And I am going to dry roast all these things together. And when they started becoming light brown in color, we have to add the peanut. So can you see the color is started becoming little brown, and it's time to add some peanuts. So here I am adding half a cup of peanut, and this is without skin peanut, guys. If you want to use this with the skin, you can use that one also. And this is very easy. We have to dry roast all these things together, and this chutney you can prepare under 5 minutes. And in this, I'm going to add little bit of tamarind, that is imli. And here I'm adding some tamarind. It gives a nice tangy taste in this chutney. We have to fry until the muesli becomes, that is the peanut becomes light brown in color. So can you see all these things? So I dry roast all these things together and I switched off the flame. In this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of water because it has to be cooled down. Then only we have to grind it in the blender. So here I'm adding 1/4 cup of water. And in this, if you want to add coconut, you can use coconut also. That is up to your choice. So my chutney is ready, guys. So can you see? So it should be like this. It should be very thin. So you can add as much water you can in this chutney. And for the tempering, here take a kadai, add some oil. In this oil, we have to add some mustard seeds, some urad dal, and the hing powder. So it gives a nice taste. And 1 to 2 red chilies. So I'm going to add this tempering into this chutney. We have to mix. So yeah, so my peanut chutney is ready, guys, for my dosa. Today I'm making dosa. So yeah, so this is the quick video of how to make peanut chutney for idli and dosa at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.